So our customers are home builders, restoration contractors, plumbers, drywallers, inspection companies.
So at Service Software, we have created 3 products.
We have a product called Restoration Manager, Punch List Manager, and Inspection Manager. So the problem we solve for a contractor, we try and help them be more profitable, more successful, do more jobs, spend less time at work.
Punch List Manager is a warranty management system for home builders.
We're really a marquee #1 product for automating warranty, service, and quality for construction groups.
Inspection Manager, it could be for anything. Anything that you want to do an inspection and not have to write it down on a piece of paper, we could help you with that. So any industry will cross industry lines.
So that's what Service Software is. It's a company that started off as a small software product that builders would use to finalize the punch list.
It's a single tree and 2 branches. So it started with Punch List Manager. There's a branch for restoration. There's a branch for Inspection Manager.
When we started the restoration product, I didn't know anything about Xactware, never heard of them. And Dan said, okay, one day we have to integrate with Xactware.
When I went out and saw a contractor that was using our product and Xactware and many of the other solutions out there, I just saw a lot of different inputs. And I said, we've got to help in some way, in some capacity. So we integrated with Xactware about 7 years ago.
That integration in itself is so robust and so important to the process. It obviously seemed that Xactware was in need of a job management system, and we were the best in the market.
We can now have a much more complete integration with the Xactware products, Xactanalysis and Xactimate. And so we're very excited about that too.
Separate, they're good, but together, they're great as a product.
We're going to grow, and it's going to be good for our customer. And I want them to know that, and all our employees feel the same way. We're strong, and we're going to be stronger than ever.